Hey, John Crestani, online marketer and entrepreneur. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you about what is lead generation. I'm also going to be going over how exactly it works and how to make money doing it. And I'm going to be going over the money bit right here on my computer, showing you exactly how you take things from A to Z to make money. I'll also be giving you a number of examples of different industries that take advantage of lead generation and how you can work with them. So let's get into this. Pretty exciting stuff. I have a lot of experience here and hopefully learn something about lead generation. Come away with some tips on how you can make money doing this for a living. John Crestani here, entrepreneur, internet marketer. Been doing internet marketing for about 10 years now, actually, and I've worked with lead generation quite a bit. And what is lead generation? So lead generation is when you're generating leads for a company, meaning people are contacting that company. You're responsible as a marketer for creating a lead, not a sale, okay? So just to drive this point home, you're not focused on getting a sale. You're focused on getting leads who are interested in the company's product or service. So you're basically finding people who are interested in a company and passing them off to a salesperson or somebody who does business development, etc. Now, most industries don't actually make money by selling products online. And I'll go over a few of those right here, but a few examples are if we look at, the Medicare industry. You're not buying Medicare online. It's some sort of government program. Same thing with investments. Investments is a $25 trillion industry. But the way the money is transferred, you're not actually transacting and creating all that business online. It requires a salesperson to speak with somebody on the phone. Same thing with, for example, mortgage. Mortgage is another $25 trillion industry, but it's done almost completely offline. The leads are generated online, the people that are interested in buying it, but not the sale. The sale is done over the phone, okay? Same thing with a bunch of these industries. Insurance industry is another $1 trillion industry. So we have over $50 trillion worth of, just in three categories, over $50 trillion of business are done each year in these three categories, and they're done through leads. So a lot of people online, marketers focus on, or salespeople focus on generating leads or generating sales for consumer products, when the biggest industries in the world are actually done through over the phone, okay? People do not decide where to put their money without talking to their investment advisor. At least high net worth individuals don't. Most people decide, almost everybody decides on their mortgage by talking with a mortgage broker. It's actually a law that you need to talk with a mortgage broker to get a mortgage. So that's an overall of what the industry is. 50 trillion plus industry. Lots of money here, and I'm going to show you how you can get a piece of this pie as a marketer. Lots of money, as you can see. And this is where I made a lot of my money. Now, when I started in online marketing, I was working for an ad agency. I was doing mortgage leads. Okay, so I was working for a mortgage company, and I was getting people to fill out a form on their website to say they're interested in getting a mortgage for their house or refinancing their house. And what I did was I advertised on keywords on Google for people who were searching for mortgages. I advertised on websites where people were searching for information on mortgages. And I would put up an ad on those sites, and I'd get people contacting the company. Over 1,000 people a day contacted this mortgage company based on my ad efforts, and that created a lot of jobs. Those are a lot of conversations. And the average conversation was 30 minutes long, so you can only imagine 1,000 times 30, how much talk time and how many salespeople were actually working on those leads. You have a lot of money there. Now, next I'm gonna go over how it works, and then we'll be going over how to make money doing lead generation. I'm going to be showing you some websites which you can go to. I'm going to show you on just a second on my computer here of websites we can go to actually make money with lead generation. Now, how lead generation works, we can think of it sort of as a funnel, and in the top end of the funnel is all of the different places you might actually find people online. We're talking about Google, we're talking about Facebook, we're talking about Instagram, we're talking about YouTube, any place where people hang out online. And what we do is we show these people a web page, okay, where there's a form, it says refinance your house, and maybe it shows a happy couple, and it gives you a form to fill out with your information, and then you submit the form, right? So people are gonna fill out their information, it's gonna submit the form, and it's gonna go to a salesperson who talks to them on the telephone, okay? That's my bad impression of a telephone, but you get the idea. And the salesperson closes the sale. So let's look at it on my computer actually, and I'll show you what some of these websites look like. So here's an example of a car loan site, okay? Where people who have a car and who are interested in getting a loan for money based on just the fact that they own a car can input their information and get a loan just based on the fact that they own a car. I'm assuming most people own cars. Here's another site where it's for people who are in debt. If you are in debt, you can actually work with companies to reduce that debt. And the companies make a lot of money and you save a lot of money. And you input your information once again. Here's another site where you can sign up for a free trial of a new electronic device. And once again, this is a lead because they're signing up for a trial, and it's on the company to make money. Here's another site, home loans. You select your home, whatever sorts of information, and you get a loan. And there's all sorts of things, insurance, Medicare, etc. Now, how this industry works to make money actually doing this is that you need to actually work with an affiliate, what's called an affiliate network. Okay, so for these websites, what you get is you work with an affiliate network, and an affiliate network will pay you, basically they give you products or companies that you can market, and they will say, okay, if you send somebody to one of those websites that I just showed you, you will get $20 if you can get a person to fill out their information. If somebody visits our website and fills out their information, you get $20 each time they fill out their information. Now, the examples I just showed you, the numbers ranged from $7 all the way to $32 per information that the person filled out. Now, once again, lead generation is one of the easiest places to get started in marketing because you don't actually require somebody to put in their credit card information. You're not actually requiring somebody to purchase anything. All they have to do is input maybe the location of their home, their phone number, their email, and some ways to contact them, and you make that money. And the way it all works is that the affiliate, once somebody fills out the information, the affiliate network, everything gets tracked through just internet technology. That's the affiliate network is the tech platform that divvies up all the money and is able to track if the person indeed visited the website because of your link posting efforts, and it gets tracked and the money goes to you. Okay, so you earn that money each time somebody fills out a form. You can do lead generation. You can get started in marketing and doing lead generation with any industry on the planet almost. 80% of companies now have affiliate programs, and we're talking about things from Medicare, insurance, payday loans, mortgage, refinance, debt consolidation, heavy machinery, education. People don't sign up and pay their tuition bill with, sight unseen. When you sign up for college, you're talking to a few people. You're talking to admissions, you're talking to different sorts of salespeople that are trying to get you into that college. And this is another multi-trillion-dollar industry right here, the education industry. And once again, you can earn money from these multi-trillion-dollar industries, helping them get more people contacting them. And that's even to say, heavy machinery industry, another industry. People do not buy airplanes. People do not buy tractors without talking to a sales agent. So all of these companies, all of these businesses, software, etc., are all run through leads. And if you can generate leads, if you actually can make more money getting somebody to just fill out their information than you can, in many cases, of getting them to go just to purchase a product, a pen or whatever you're selling on the internet. So this is a pretty exciting industry, and I'm going to show you a few networks, a few places you can go to actually get started earning money online. Now, one of my favorite affiliate networks that works with lead generation companies, and they pay out over $50 million to independent marketers per year, is A4D, or what used to be known as Ads for Dough. And they work with a lot of companies. They work with solar panel companies. They work with financial investment companies. They work with insurance companies. They work with funeral companies. Did you know you can make money when people die? Yeah, with funerals. I guess the funeral industry is also a multi-billion-dollar industry, and it's a business. It's a for-profit business. So if you can help match people with funeral providers, you can make a lot of money. And I know people that are doing that. So you can make all sorts of money, and this is all over the world. You don't have to be located in any city, any country. You can be Nigerian, you can be American, you can be an American living in Nigeria, you could be a Nigerian living in America. Doesn't really matter, because these affiliate networks will accept anybody all over the world, but you have to be focused. They don't offer a lot of support. Now, where would you go to sign up is you would simply sign up under advertisers, or you would click the link in the description of this video. So if you actually go through my link to sign up for Ads for Dough, you'll actually have a better chance of being accepted, because one of the prerequisites of working with affiliate networks, which I go over in other videos, is that they want to see some sort of experience. They want to know you've done lead generation before, or that you have a website. So if you want to learn more about getting accepted into affiliate networks and what the top affiliate networks are, check out one of my other videos. I don't know, it's over one of these shoulders, where there'll be a little icon that'll pop up where you can learn more about doing affiliate marketing and working with affiliate networks. But I'm going to show you on the inside real quick, and this is what it looks like on the inside. So this is the form you'll fill out, and this is what it looks like on the inside. And what you'll see is a bunch of what we call offers. So these are called affiliate offers. And let's check out some of these lead generation offers that we can do. So here we see Medicare matchup. If you can help people find the right Medicare plan, you can earn $7. Health insurance pays $5. Auto insurance, you can earn $5 just for getting somebody to fill out their information. And we have a lot more offers on here. Auto insurance, rent to own, solar panel installation. Solar panel installation is $14, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, there are lots of companies that are working with Ads for Dough. And all you would do is you would just simply get your link. You'd sign up for one of these programs. You'd get your link, and you would send people to that web page to fill out their information. Now, if you're looking more about how to get traffic and how to get your link out there, check out my playlist about free traffic methods for getting your link out there. I have a video over one of these shoulders or above my head or something where you can learn more about how to get your link out there using free traffic methods. Now, the second industry I worked for when I got started was actually working with an investment company. I was working to help consumers who are interested in moving part of their retirement money savings over into gold investments. And generally, I was advertising to people who were over the age of 60, because those people who have retirement accounts. I'd earn $3,000 on average per person that I helped get signed up and just working with that company. And all I did was I posted a little link on the internet, a little link to people who were interested in investing in gold. And I just put my website link that I got from the affiliate network, and I'd put it on Google. And when people went to it and said they were interested in purchasing gold, on average, I'd make $3,000 when a deal came in. So you can do all sorts of things. I started making $25,000 to $50,000 per month at the age of like 23 doing lead generation for an investment company on my own. And I was able to quit my job. I was the director of marketing at a company. I was earning about $6,000 a month. Doing lead generation for companies helped me quit my job, travel the world. I bought a big house in Malibu, yada, 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 you know, all this cool stuff. I fly helicopters now. If you want to learn more about the marketing techniques that I do and affiliate marketing and different ways you can do marketing and make money, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell because I do live streams sometimes where I answer questions. And also make sure to give, just murder that like button if you enjoyed something about this video, and leave any comments. We have communities that you can learn about in the description. We have a Reddit community, we have a subreddit, we have a Discord chat channel if you prefer to chat with people, we have a Facebook forum, and we also have our own web forum which you can interact. We're building a community of marketers to help people make money, work from home, avoid the commute, and live free. Looking forward to seeing you more often on my channel. Talk to you soon.